Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create this really cool beachy boho wavy look. So if you want to see how it's done, keep on watching. So today I'm wearing 165 grams in colour 6. I'm going to take my first section just above my first weft, try and get the masses of hair out of the way. Use one of these. Oh my god, way too much hair. Then I'm going to separate the first section, put it around to the front, and off we go. So today I'm using this really odd shaped wand. It's a Babyliss Pro hairdressing. Don't know why I chose pink. They do them in black as well, I think. But anyway, so as you can see, my hair is in there somewhere, but it's not blended in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one first section, and we're first going to point it downwards, and we're going to go back around the head and hold. Kind of leave the end bits, as you can see, just off for a few seconds and go. Now you take the next section, and that time we went down, we're actually going to go forwards this time, so in front of the head. And this slides down the head and drop, and we do the same on the other side. Look at that, that's just not happening. So what we'll do is just add a little bit around the bottom, and a more. So we've still got our bits around the front that we've just done, and I've just dropped down a new section. So what I'm going to do is take that section, pick it up. I'm going to take this bit that I've just done, put it on the back. We'll split it in two, and then we're going to pull that around the front, and we're going to do the same thing again. The main reason that we do it different ways, so back on itself and then forwards on itself, is because if you did them all the same way, you'd end up with that like Hollywood style sort of wave, because it all blended together, which is perfect if that's the look you're going for, which I do sometimes. But today we're doing beachy waves. Just taken down my top section. I've got 2 more bits to go. You can leave the top half where there's no hair extensions, just so that I can frame that in with my face afterwards. Last section, we're just going to do this top bit just to blend it all in. As you can see, I've got nice waves on the bottom and a bit of frizz on the top. Okay, so we're left with our freshly waved hair, and now we want to kind of style it a little bit because it's a little bit flat on top and still a little bit too neat for me. So I started to use a little bit of a sea salt spray. I've had this one for ages, so I don't even know if they still do it anymore, but it's Indigo by Affinage. You can get loads of sea salt spray, so it doesn't necessarily have to be this one. So just kind of spray into the ends, just scrunch it up. to maybe back comb a little bit just on top, just to give it a bit of volume. Try on the sides a little bit as well, so it's not too flat. Into the back. And there you go, it's your beachy summer hairdo.